Welcome back to Broke Ass EDC. Got a different one. It was a little bit hard for me to find all the business on this one. The mini KATANA M390 Z1. Let's take a look at the old specs on this thing. See what we got here. Blade material M390. Handle, we're going into titanium and a little carbon fiber action. Overall length 7.68 inches. Blade length 3.15. Handle length 4.53. That blade's coming to you at 62 HRC on that old M390. With this 4.5 inch handle, you got a pretty good grip on it. And this is an interesting blade. Interesting. Little like swedge action up here. Button lock. Flipper only. Nice action. Dead center. Titanium to the carbon fiber. A little bit overzealous on the hardware maybe. Clips nice and clean. Does not look to be reversible. Nice snap, pop in. No blade play. Billboarding, got the old mini KATANA logo there. Little M3, a little big and bulky on the back. Clean that up. Put it back in here or something. Ooh, right there. All four fingers a little bit chugged up on it. You could reach forward, but I ain't feeling good about it. Little jimping back here to get business done. No hot spot in the old Gorilla Grip. I would like to have seen another deployment method. I mean, a hole here, or I don't know. Maybe move that down, give me, you know, make this almost like kind of like a fuller. I don't. But the flipper, nice and snappy. Nice open design. But it was hard to find this thing. I'll throw a link in. There was black or red. And they're rated #1 KATANA brand in the US. If you can't see my face, I'm making a sarcastic face. Sometimes the shit they put on websites kills me. But this is $172. So it is a little pricey for something that's not a mainstream brand. But this is nice build quality and it feels good. The fit and finish on it's pretty solid. I mean, that one hardware screws a little bit up, but nothing too crazy. Definitely a good entry from them. What do you think of the mini KATANA Z1? Drop the old comment, hit that thumbs up button. Y'all, stay sharp, stay safe.